Now, to give you a context of how little it can take, I was working with a client. So today, this was a client who got in touch with me for the second session. As in third, first was a free session, then we did one paid session. This was for therapy. He said he has been having a problem of sneezing for the last 5 years. He had gone through multiple doctors, had got all his checkups done. In the 5 years, he had not been able to find a resolution. He said the problem is when I have this sneezing issue, वो 15-17 बार sneeze करता हूँ, and then it kind of becomes too much for me to handle. Then I need like 10 minutes to sit to get hold of myself. अभी घर वर पे हूँ तो ठीक है, but office में important meetings में ऐसे नहीं चल सकता ना. मतलब I have had 5 years where there have been important meetings which have gone, which I have had to delay for this reason. I told him 8 sessions. Okay. Today was his second paid session. I asked him, so how have things been going? He said, Nitin, was sneeze हुआ ही नहीं उसके बाद. Okay. So I'm wondering, what is he doing today in front of me? Matlab, right? So I asked him, all right, so what are we meeting today for? He says, I thought I was these to chale gaye. There are a couple of other issues that I had. I thought I will work with them also. Right? So
for that sneezing also, sorry to disturb you, but then for that also, you will go similarly. SOF करके.
I did. So I did the SOF. Unke case mein with sneezing, there was no task. There was nothing that he could do actually to stop the sneezing. He was not creating it. Right? So we simply, after the future, jumped into the process.
Okay.
So there was no plan of action over there.
Okay. Where there is lot of emotions taking place, then the plan of action would come in.
No. Plan of action will come in when a client needs to do something where the client literally needs to take steps. Now, for example, with sneezing, the client is already telling you, I have already taken all the reports. Right?
Yeah.
Doctors have told me we can't give you a medicine.
Yeah.
मतलब we can give you a medicine कि अगर जब sneeze हो रहा हो उसके बाद uncomfortable feel कर रहा हो तो आप क्या ले सकते हो जिससे आपको comfortable feel करे. पर sneezing stop करने के लिए हम आपको meditation, आपको दवाई नहीं दे सकते. हमको भी नहीं पता sneezing क्यों हो रही.
Yeah.
Right? And there is nothing that the client can actually physically do to stop sneezing. Right? So then there is no plan of action because there is nothing that the client can do.
Right?
It's all an internal association that you're changing. But let's say the client were to say that I sneeze when I'm too stressed.
Yeah.
And I get stressed when I'm not planned. Then what are the things that stress you? What are the probable steps that you can take to manage your stress more effectively? Then it will be a plan of action. So it's not that sneezing के लिए उनको plan of action की जरूरत नहीं थी. Sneezing के लिए नहीं थी because everything else that they needed to do was already done. Right? So that's the difference. In most cases, there will be plan of action. In exceptional cases, there could be just an emotional association.